Right, so what we're looking at here is your plan view and elevation. So if we look first at the title panel down here, this is how a title panel is done when you're doing plan view and elevations. So it's got the title, plan view and elevation in uppercase. The name of the product is the birdhouse. Scale is 1:1, so we're doing the actual measurements, which makes it much easier for you. Usually when you're doing a building, you'll do it differently, like a scale of 1:100 or 1:50 or 1:20. But because this is a small birdhouse, we can afford to fit it of a scale of 1:1. The sheet size is A3. You always have to have this north-facing symbol on here with the word north, the date that you created the work, your name, so you'll replace that on the template, and the sheet number. So over here we have the plan view. So imagine you're looking down from above and you're just drawing what you see in bold out black lines for the outline of the building, which is the birdhouse. And windows are always represented with 4 lines to represent the windows. So this is the entry to the birdhouse. The dotted lines are what you can't see, so that's all pretty much underneath. That's the dowel that will go at the base of the birdhouse, so you can stick it into the ground. And this is a hole that we're putting at the back of the birdhouse, so you may also be able to hang it on a wall. These are all the dimension lines up here that we see, and we'll talk about that further. And then over to the right, we have the north elevation. So you're imagining then that you're looking at the birdhouse. You're standing down here and you're looking towards the north. And so you would see, if you're looking front on, this is the post that it's sitting on. So it goes into the base of the frame. The hidden lines are the ones that we can't see. They're hidden from the face view, so they're done in broken lines. Then this is the little post, which is 10 millimeters in diameter. And this is the entry to the birdhouse, which is 30 mil in diameter. And then this is a circle for the hook to place onto the wall, which is 20 millimeter in diameter. These broken lines here represent the roof, which is on an angle, and that's hidden, that goes on a slope. So that's all you see from the back. And this is what you see from the front. That's the thickness of the roof at the top, and this is the thickness